The next form of the adjective is the noun plus the plus noun. So in this case, this form has two nouns, noun plus the plus noun. So an example for this is Marie fait des études de piano. So Marie does the studies of piano. Now this whole thing is the adjective, right? So first of all, what is an adjective? It is a describing word. So Marie fait des études de piano. So this étude is a noun. Piano is also a noun. So étude, noun, plus the plus piano, which is also a noun. Marie fait des études de piano. So this is another way we can write an adjective. Now the next one is an important concept. Construction avec qui. So if you look at this word qui, do you remember this word? It is a question word. It means who. So now in this case, look at these two sentences. Je connais un garçon. I know a boy. Il travaille à la télé. So we are going to join these two sentences using the word qui. So here qui would be a relative pronoun. So je connais un garçon. Je connais un garçon. The first part of the sentence is as it is. Il travaille à la télé. So we will replace the subject here with qui. Qui travaille à la télé. Je connais un garçon qui travaille à la télé. So here what we did was we wrote the first sentence as it is. In the second sentence we replaced the subject with qui. So we used qui, which is a question word, but in this case it is used to relate to sentences. So we used qui to make it a single sentence, and by doing this we were able to characterize a person or a place. So that is the idea here. Pour caractériser une personne ou une chose. So we characterized the person using qui. Now the next sentence. J'ai lu un livre. Il m'a intéressé. So again we will write the first sentence as it is. J'ai lu un livre. So again we replace the subject with qui m'a intéressé. So now if you translate this sentence, I know a boy. He works at the télé. I know a boy who works at the télé. Same way, the next sentence. J'ai lu un livre. I have read a book. Il m'a intéressé. I am interested. So I read a book in which I was interested. So here it relates. So it describes the person's feelings, the interest. It is describing that you are interested in the book. So this is a word that we use to characterize a person or a place. So there is one more concept left in this. So we will see what that is. But you need to remember this form of the adjective, nom plus the plus nom. And you can also use key to characterize a person or a place.